Position of the team.
Yep. As regards the status of the talks,
saying that talks will not happen.
Inamaanisha kwamba
then we can hear from Honorable Aika.
Kama hilo unaifanya iwe mzaha.
Imeeleweka.
So they are
discussed is over conflicting.
We actually just sent to them an invitation letter for today so that we can have a meeting between ourselves, the leaders, the chairpersons, the co-chairpersons, and the leadership of the House. I did receive a letter from the Honorable Otiende Amolo in which he said he had reservations regarding certain matters and that in fact they were not going to honor the invitation today, but we haven't given up. But if they insist that they will be demonstrating as we talk, then it defeats the purpose. Absolutely defeats the purpose as far as we are concerned, because these talks were called for because of the ongoing demonstrations that were in the streets.
And as a committee, we want to insist that if it's talks, yes, come, let's talk, but you cannot take advantage of hopeless, jobless young people to destroy people's property and at the same time demand that you be incorporated in one process or another.
Whether they like it or not, they can go for demos today, go next week, go every week. But what will bring sanity and an end to the difference between the two sides is not demos, it will be talks. Even the First World War, the Second World War, were ended not by the atomic bombs, but by the talks.
And as a matter of fact, the 10-point letter that they issued the other day in their statement has kept on mutating. We have dealt with some of the issues, and we have committed in our prayer today that we are still committed to bend beyond for the interest of peace, for the interest of this country, and for the interest of coming together as one.
Kenya ni kubwa kushinda kila mmoja wetu. Na kama wa Kenya ni lazima tujitolee, kwa sababu mwisho wa siku ni mazungumzo tu ambayo yataleta suluhu. Ni mazungumzo tu. Hata waandamane siku ngapi, miaka mingapi, lazima watu waketi wazungumze.
We have suspended the talks because the inclusion of the Honorable Kainan goes to the principles of the very things we are supposed to discuss. For us as a team, as long as they confirm to us that the Honorable Kainan has been withdrawn, we will resume the talks immediately. The question of demonstration is a different question. It's not on the table for us. That is a matter that is to be discussed at the level of the principle and the constitution and other things. And you cannot say that you have an issue of somebody participating in a process, and then when a particular issue comes in, then they recuse themselves. That's like saying you have an objection to a judge, but you will be excusing the judge on other things except on a particular issue. It doesn't work that way. Either you accept the body as composed or you reject it.